So let's talk a little bit about indirect bonding and what I see. I go and time myself upper and lower 7 to 7. Got to use the same apples to apples. 4.8 minutes is how quickly I can do that. Now, there's going to be a little bit of a discussion when I talk about some things here. I do this all myself. Um, I don't etch everything, but when I sit down, the teeth are etched. I'll place the primer. I want to make sure we have a good clean etch. I will check the glue on the tray, on the brackets. Sometimes I'll place the glue on the brackets beforehand. I just like controlling this process because I've got time. I've got little time here and there. Now, could I train somebody to do it? Yeah, and I've trained people to do it. But, because I'm working on this, because I'm wanting to learn a lot about this, because I was working with uLab and trying to develop this, I did a lot more of the steps. So 4.8 minutes is me sitting down, putting the primer on the teeth, checking the trays, seating the trays, giving it a cure to hold it, doing that in all four quadrants. That's how long it takes. Overall improved position of brackets. I see an overall improved position of brackets. I can show you images of teeth where they're straight. I can show you x-rays where um, where the roots themselves are parallel, and I love it, but I'm not sure that's going to give you very much. It's like, oh, great, Bill, you found an x-ray that has straight roots. Yay. I mean, it's nice. I see it consistently, but something in the AJO that actually really talks to the accuracy of indirect bracket placement, just in general terms, the ability, and that's what this paper looked at, the ability to create the bracket position, to capture that bracket position with a tray and to transfer it to the mouth creates a much better accuracy than direct bonding itself. So to me, this paper says it all versus me showing you a bunch of panos with straight roots. Yes, I have that. And yes, it's fantastic. But looking at some more research like this, I think gives maybe a little more validity to what we're trying to talk about here. Third thing is delegable. Now, you know, if you're delegating this, even if you're just seating the trays and walking away, your time could be anywhere from 0 seconds to a minute, So the difference, and even direct bonding, so let's look at that because a lot of people listening to this webinar may very well have the assistants place all the brackets, cover it, and then you come over and change it. So if you have that level of delegation in your office, if you're comfortable with that level of delegation and your state allows that level of delegation, then compare your apples to apples. Your apples might be, I'm delegating it. I have a few seconds of taking a look at it versus a few moments or minutes of repositioning brackets, or maybe you're really fast at it. But still, if you're delegating and you can put it and you can have the assistant put them in and you've done all the work up front, that can be 0 seconds for you having to do this. And 0 seconds is hard to compete with, even if you're sitting down and fixing somebody else's direct bonding that they did for you. So look at it that way. Indirect bonding is delegable. Improve bracket position, which improve root position, which reduces the need for bends and things like that, and repositions in the future.